How to fix PlayStation cannot update system. To fix the PlayStation system update errors, first of all, you have to try clearing the local storage space. So go ahead and then tap on or open the settings panel on your console, then head to storage and ensure you have at least 10 GB to 20 GB of free space before attempting the update again. And also use the safe mode to force the update. You simply have to turn off the console completely by holding the physical power button on the front panel until it stops blinking. Hold down the power button again and release it after you hear a second beep. Then connect your controller directly to the console using a USB data cable and press the PS button. Once inside the black Safe Mode menu, select Update System Software. Then select the update using Internet. The console will download a clean copy of the firmware directly from Sony's servers, bypassing dashboard bugs. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.